Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to have the revision of lesson 2, that is the noun number. Noun can be singular or plural. Today we are going to study about singular noun and plural noun, as well as we'll learn the different rules of forming plurals. So let us learn first of all what is singular noun. A noun which indicates one person or thing is called a singular noun. The noun which indicates only one person or thing. For example, a pen means one pen. A man. A man means one man we are talking about. Second is plural noun. A noun which indicates more than one person or thing is called a plural noun. For example, 5 pens. Here pens is indicating more than one thing. More than one thing, 5 pens. A man is singular, its plural will be men, means more than one man. So this is singular and this is plural nouns. Now let us revise forming plural nouns. How to form plural nouns. Forming plural nouns. The first rule is when the noun is ending with S, SS, SH, CH or X. We add ES with the noun to make it plural. When the words are ending with S, SS, SH, CH or X, we add ES with the noun to make it plural. Let us see some examples. The word box it indicates singular. It is one. So when we have to make its plural form, we add ES with it because it is ending with X. So the box becomes boxes. Class is ending with double S. So we add ES to make it plural. It becomes classes by adding ES. The second rule is plural forms of nouns ending in F or FE. Ending in F or FE. When the nouns are ending with F or FE, what changes do we make? F or FE is changed into VES. It is changed into VES when the word is ending with F or FE. F or FE is changed into VES. Let us see the example. Calf. Calf is ending with F. So it becomes calves. Knife. It is ending with FE. So it becomes knives. KNIVES. My dear children, always remember when F or FE is changed into VES, F sound is changed into V sound. We pronounce it calves, knives. And dear children, there is an exemption for some of the words from this rule. Some of the words, though they are ending with F or FE, we do not change F or FE into VES. We just add S with them. For example, the word chief, it is ending with F. Here F is not changed into VES to make it plural, but we just add S with it to make it plural. The next word, proof. Proof is ending with F. We do not change this F into VES. Proof, proofs. We just add S with it to make it plural. So dear children, this kind of words we need to memorize. We need to learn by heart. Now, the next rule is plural forms of nouns ending in O. Ending in O. When the words are ending in O, we usually add ES with the word. To make it plural, we add ES. For example, mango. It is ending with O, so it will become mangoes. Hero. It is ending with O, it becomes heroes. But again, there is an exemption for some of the words. We do not follow this rule which we have studied right now. Some of the words, though they are ending with O, we just add S with them to make them plural. For example, the word photo. It is ending with O, but we do not add ES with it. We add only S. Photos. Likewise, we make it a plural noun. Piano. Pianos. Though piano is ending with O, but we add only S with it to make it plural. So, these kind of words we need to memorize. Now, the next rule is when the word is ending in Y. If before Y comes any vowel, we just add S with them to make them plural. Before Y, if comes any vowel, for example, toy, the word is ending in Y, but before Y comes the vowel. The O is the vowel. So we just add S with it to make it plural. It becomes toys. For example, key. Y ending in Y, and before Y comes the vowel E. So it becomes keys. And dear children, when the word is ending in Y and before Y any consonant comes, in that case Y is changed into I and we add ES with it. Let us see the example. Baby. It is ending in Y and before Y the consonant B comes. Before Y the consonant B comes. In that case, Y is changed into I, then we add ES with it. Babies. See, B-A-B-Y, baby. B-A-B-I. Y is changed into I, then we have added ES with it. Babies. Fairy. Fairy. Ending in Y, and before Y comes the consonant R. It becomes fairies. So, always remember this rule. When the word is ending in Y and before the Y any vowel comes, in that case we just add S with it to make it plural. And when the word is ending in Y and before Y comes a consonant, we change Y into I and add ES with it. So these were the regular nouns. My dear children, when we know that only countable nouns have plural forms. Only countable nouns have plural forms. Singular countable nouns can be made plural usually by adding the suffixes s or es. Usually we make the plural forms by adding s or es. Nouns that are made plural by adding s or es are called regular nouns. All the rules which we studied are related to regular nouns because we added s or es with them to make them plural. And my dear children, the plural forms of some nouns are made differently. Such nouns are called irregular nouns. The nouns which do not follow this rule of adding s or es with them, they are changed in a different way in the plurals. They are called irregular nouns. Now, let us study about the irregular plural nouns. Irregular plural forms. The first one is we add, with some of the words we add en or ren to make them plural. For example, child, it becomes children. We add ren with it. Ox, it becomes oxen. We have added en, we have added ren to make plurals. Now, second rule, some other nouns change their middle vowels to form their plural. Change middle vowel. For example, foot, double O are the middle vowels. The middle vowels we change, it becomes feet. Feet is the plural form of foot. The next example, tooth. Tooth becomes teeth. See, the middle vowels are changed. Let us see the next rule. The plural ending s is added to the principal word in compound nouns. Compound nouns means combination of 2-3 words are called compound nouns. When we have to make the compound noun into plural form, we add s with the principal word, with the main word. For example, aunt in law. It is a compound noun. It is a compound noun. Aunt. Aunt is a principal word. In the principal word, we add s to make it plural. It will become aunts in law. Next example, brother in law. In this compound noun, brother is the principal word, the main word. So we add s with it. It becomes brothers in law. Then the next rule is some of the nouns remain same in their plural forms. We do not add anything with them or we do not make any changes. The word remains same in its singular and plural form. That is, for example, deer means one deer. Its plural is also deer. It remains same. Then dozen. It remains same in its plural form also. We do not add anything with it or we do not make any changes. The word remains same in its plural form. Now, foreign plurals. Some words in English have been borrowed from their other languages. Those are called loan words. In English, the words which we take from other languages are called loan words. So, formation of plurals for such words is different from the usual. We need to learn those words. For example, agendum. Agendum. It's the singular form. Agenda. It's the plural form. So, usually these loan words, singular and plural forms, we need to by heart. Now, some more important points I would like to tell you. The names of objects that have two essential parts are always used in a plural. The names of objects that are having two important parts. For example, pants. It is having two parts. We never say pant. It is always pants. We never say trouser. It is always trousers. We never say spectacle. It is always spectacles. Because all these are in pair. It is having the two essential parts. So, we call them always in plural form. And with them, we always use plural verbs. Next point is, some nouns ending in either s or ics are usually singular uncountable nouns and have no plural forms. Some of the words which are ending with s or ics, they are uncountable nouns, so they do not have any plural forms. For example, aerobics, gymnastics, news, physics, politics, statistics, all these are ending with s or ics. Though it seems that when we read them, it seems that they are plural, but they are not plural. They are singular nouns only, singular uncountable nouns, and for them we use singular verb. Next point is, uncountable nouns such as advice, furniture, information do not have plural forms. Uncountable nouns do not have their plural forms. Next is, abstract nouns such as admiration, affection, hatred, love, and the material nouns such as iron, sugar, silk, wood are not countable nouns. Abstract nouns and material nouns are not countable nouns. So, they do not have any plural forms. They remains in their singular form only. Next is, an apostrophe followed by s is added to figure such as 1, 2, 3, 4 and the letters such as A, B, C in their plural forms. When we want to indicate the plural forms of the letters or the numbers, figures, we add apostrophe s with them. For example, 5 apostrophe s, it indicates fives, plural form of 5. T apostrophe s, it indicates plural form of tea, teas. Next point is, some collective nouns such as people and kettle look like singular nouns, though they denote a plural concept. Therefore, they take plural verbs with them. People, kettle, when we read them, it seems they are singular nouns. Actually, they are the collective nouns and they show the collection. They denote a plural concept. So, with them, we always use the plural verb. So, these are the different points about the formation of plural. My dear children, I hope you understood the chapter and revise the definitions and all the book exercises, and especially the tables which are given in your book, singular and plural forms. Learn them by heart and study well. Thank you.